In this video, I'll show you how to bypass a Discord server ban. Firstly, go to Discord support page and click on Submit a Request. Select Appeals and Age Update Requests under What can we help with you with? Enter your email address in the provided field and tick the box that says Are you in the right place to confirm you're submitting an appeal and it's not a general inquiry. Under How can we help, select Appeal and Action taken by my account or bot. You'll be prompted with a question like what you'd like to appeal for. Choose an action taken on my account. Fill out the subject and description fields. In the description, explain the circumstances of your ban and provide reasons why you believe the ban should be reconsidered. Be sure to remain polite and provide as much detail as possible to support your case. Once you've completed the form, submit it to Discord support team. You should receive a response regarding the status of your appeal after they review your case. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.